talking about, we are teaching Somali people in our area or the city how to eat and how to go out and eat African food, especially West African food. So pay attention. We are trying to write some of the items that Somalians need to eat to get bigger and bolder. You know what I mean? Come with me in the area of the blackboard. So we are teaching today about West African foods and juices. When I say juices, I'm talking about fruit juices. I'm not talking about no wine and no beer and no Heineken, nothing. Eh? You have to understand what I say. We're talking about fruit juices, and you have to listen to this lesson because the reason why you are here is because you are skinny nigger.
Okay.
Since you are skinny nigger and you are my friend and you are beer, we are trying to on this trial for you to become a big nigger. Okay. So what we'll start is the first food we want you to eat. I want you to eat. It's recommended food. I'm not saying it. It's from experience. So the first food I'm trying to prescribe for you is fufu. You eat it in the morning. You eat it in the afternoon. You eat it between afternoon and the morning. It's like something like lunch, but it's not lunch and it's not breakfast. It's something. It's a midday food like that. And I want you also to eat this other food in the evening before Maghrib prayer. This other food is called ugali. Ugali is good for your system. Ugali is good for your muscles. It's good for your stomach area. Sometimes you become stomach like that and you become like that. It's because of the food that I'm trying to prescribe for you. And for the juice, and for the juice, I want you to drink carrot. Carrot juice is good for your sweat and for you to exercise. And you have to run in the morning from your house to Caramel Mall. You have to run from your house to Caramel for you so that the food can go in your body and it will actually spread in your body so that you know when Somalis eat food, the food always go in the stomach and they don't exercise, you sleep with it, you get a big shit stomach, shitty, eh? So when you eat food, you run from your house to Caramel area.
Okay.
So today we are finishing our lesson here. I want you to be a good student, and tomorrow when you come back here, I want you to explain everything that I've just teach you. Everything that I'm teaching you.
Okay. If I eat those food, I'll become a big.
You become big nigger.
Okay.
You have a question?
No, I'm fine, but I'm talking about. You scared me a little bit. What is the fufu? Fufu
is good. Fufu is a food eaten in West Africans, like Ghanaians, like Nigerians, like Senegalese, all this. This food is prescribed for you. It's like medicine for you and for your system, for your immune system. I'm not trying to prescribe you a medicine or pills and some shit like that.
Okay.
I'm trying to give you fufu. Fufu is what you need in your system. Make sure you eat. You have to listen. The reason why we have 2 ears and 1 mouth is to listen more and talk less, and you're doing the opposite. Eh? You must listen to something.
I'm listening. But okay, I have another question.
What's that?
I always drink, milk nighttime. I never get big.
I have a question for you. Which milk do you drink? The one with the red cup or the blue cup?
The red one.
The red one. I love that one too. I drink it, but not tell anyone I drink it.
Oh, okay.
I drink it. I have a lot of milk or red cup in my refrigerator. You know, I live in Riverside area. You have to come and visit in my area. Do you have another question?
Oh, no, I have a question. And
what's the matter with you? I have a lot of questions. Eh?
No, you scared me, man. What I want to ask you is, where you come from, sir?
What's that question? You ask your teacher. I am come from I'm half Somali, half Nigerian nigger, so I'm a mixed nigger. I'm a mixed nigger. So, you have another question?
I'm fine.
I have another question for you.
Okay.
Is your Mora Nigerian or is one of you Senegalese or Sudan? You are told as nigger.
No, I come from East Africa. So I was born in what they call Hagarler. I grew up Ifo, and you know, have you ever heard Mako Malawi? That's my family, you know. Zabiko, they are close to the border of Kenya.
Okay. And my family, my name is Opi Matado, and I grew up in a city called in Nigeria. Can you say it? Can you say it? Try it.
It's too hard for me.
It's too hard for you?
That's hard for me. Guys,
listen
here is icon. Happy. waxaan u sameynayna programkan habeenka he will be performing December 18 waxaa imaan doono habeenkaas isaga hadda wuxuu ka yimid Soomaaliya oo film ku soo shoot gareynayay oo nasiib aan u yeelanay Happy Khalif one of our icon habeenkaas I will be hosted asagana wuu imaan doono hadduu Ilaahay yiraahdo December 18 waxaan rabnaa in uu sheekooyin badan noo keeno maadaama aan ku helnay fursad aad qaali ah midda xitan uu soo guuri doonaa magaaladan bil kadib laakiin waxaan ka codsanaynaa ninkii oo naagta cadaanka guursaday oo Nigerianka ahay oo xir inuu nooga sheego habeenkaas ayuu noo dhameystiri doonaa.
You want to know the story, okay. Biar, why you want me to tell the story? I was trying to tell that story that night. You are bringing all that shit. Okay, since you insist on it, I'll make sure I tell you the story. It's about a white nigger, white man. He married a white woman, big white woman, big fluffy woman. He did not fall in love with her. He wanted some papers. You know, when Africans come from another country, they marry a woman and they get papers. You know how it is. There are so many Somalis from Mexico. They know how the situation goes. So this Nigerian nigger married a white woman, and they sleep with each other, and she become pregnant. After 9 months, a baby come out with a blue and a nappy hair. So he look at it and he say, hey, are you serious? This now my son is a bastard son. For more information about this story, we'll tell you right now. So after a commercial break. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
End the story, and that's our lesson. Make sure tomorrow you come and you study with me. We are in the UFM, University of Minnesota. I'm already loving this city. Goodbye and God bless you. Inshallah ta'ala.